I welcome you all in episode 98 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about Mool Bandha. Bandha means to tighten, to hold, to bind, to lock, or to contract the organ muscles of the body for some time. The aim of Bandha is to lock pranas in a particular area of the body and redirect the flow into Sushumna Nadi to awaken the physical faculties. Moreover, by applying the bandha, corresponding organs get massaged on the one side and blood circulation also improves in those organs on the other side. Blood vessels and other channels connected to those organs also get activated. Bandhas may be practiced individually or they may be used with the practice of mudras and pranayamas. Types of bandhas. As far as we are concerned about types of bandhas, there are four bandhas known as Jalandhar bandha, Udyan bandha, Mool bandha and Mahabandha. There are three granthis known as psychic nodes. These are Brahm Granthi, Vishnu Granthi and Rudra Granthi. These all the granthis are released with the practice of these bandhas. First three bandhas are associated with these three granthis respectively, which are activated or released with the practice of bandhas. First of all, we will know about Mool Bandha in today's episode. Mool Bandha is known as perineum lock. To contract the muscles of anus and urinary passage tightly is called Mool Bandha. If one does not feel comfortable to hold this bandha for a long time, he should practice Ashwani Mudra. Ashwani Mudra means contracting and releasing the anus muscles repeatedly like this. Like this. You will contract, release, contract, release, contract, release. When you practice repeatedly of Ashwani Mudra, then you will feel easy to hold the Mool Bandha for long period. When Ashwani Mudra is practiced on regular basis for long time, one develops the capability to contract the muscles of perineal and vaginal region in a better way. This bandha can be practiced not only during pranayama but at other times also. It can be practiced while walking, watching television and sitting in office, etc. People suffering with heart disease, high blood pressure or asthma should not practice this bandha with breath retention. Without breath retention, they can practice Mool Bandha. You can see our demonstrator Chaya Gupta for the demonstration of this Mool Bandha. Sit in the yoga mat, on the yoga mat assuming Siddhasana or Siddh Yoni Asana. For females, Siddh Yoni Asana is better. Place your both the hands on the knees in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Close your eyes gently and relax your whole body with natural breaths. Inhale deeply and contract the anus and urinary tract muscles as tightly as possible, but do not strain. Inhale deeply, again I am repeating, contract, inhale deeply and contract the anus and urinary tract muscles like this, as tightly as possible, but do not strain. Hold this position as long as possible, retaining the breath inside. Concentrate on the perineal contraction. Now return to the starting position like this, releasing the Mool Bandha and exhale slowly. This is one round. You can repeat 5 rounds, 10 rounds, 15 rounds. Bandha can be practiced, this Bandha, Mool Bandha, can be practiced in Bahya Kumbhaka also with the external retention of breath. When you are in the final position of Mool Bandha, a sadhaka should concentrate on the contraction of perineal muscles. But after getting perfection in this bandha, spiritually one should concentrate on Mooladhara Chakra. Mool Bandha is helpful to cure constipation and piles. It strengthens the pelvic nervous system. With the practice of this bandha, body stamina is enhanced and one gets blessed with a long life. It helps to alleviate the problem of night emission that may happen amongst the young people. It is beneficial to cure anal fissures and prostate problems. With the practice of Mool Bandha, nerves get stronger, breaths get regulated, and emotions come under control. All reproductive organs are benefited. During the practice of this bandha, apan prana moves upward to the navel and strengthens the digestive organs. Mool bandha is associated with Brahm Granthi. With the practice of Mool bandha, Brahm Granthi is released, which helps in awakening the Mooladhara Chakra and rising of Kundalini. Rising of Kundalini. Today we have learned about Mool Bandha. In the next episode, we will learn more new about Pranayama. This Bandha should be practiced regularly by the Yoga Sadhaka. It is the key source of physical, mental and spiritual health. Therefore, not only Mool Bandha, yoga practice should be done by the sadhakas on regular basis under the guidelines of yoga master. Do yoga regularly and be healthy. Share this video among others to the maximum and be the part of this noble work. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.